Many of the British military's mobile equipment always stand out in appearance, especially with truck designs that most people consider not very attractive, such as the Bedford RL truck and the Morris C8. However, the British military also has some beautiful equipment, such as the Alvis Stalwart FV602 truck. The Stalwart truck was developed by Alvis Car Engineering Company, which successfully developed 6x6 military vehicles such as the FV601 and FV603 in the 1950s, and then continued to expand the value of this chassis by developing the 6x6 Stalwart amphibious truck. The Stalwart truck weighs about 8,600 kilograms empty. The front of the vehicle has a closed cab that can accommodate 3 people side by side, with the driver in the middle position. The driver's cabin does not have side doors, but instead has a top-mounted entry/exit hatch. The original prototype tried sliding side doors, but later switched to a forward-folding hatch. Some photos show what looks like a hinged armor plate above the front windshield, which is actually the top hatch that opens forward and folds flat. This truck has no specially designed armor protection or onboard weapons. The truck's engine is installed underneath the cargo deck at the rear of the vehicle, and is powered by a 220 horsepower Rolls-Royce B81-8 Malawian Quachas 8-cylinder water-cooled gasoline engine. The truck's transmission system does not allow differential rotation between the front and rear wheels. Instead, all wheels rotate at the same speed. The truck has good off-road performance, but its maximum speed on the road is only 64 km per hour. The vehicle has a fully welded sealed body, and when driving on water, it can reach a maximum speed of 11 km per hour using the 2 water jet propellers at the rear of the vehicle. The front of the vehicle has a folding spray shield for water navigation. In actual use, soldiers may remove the water propellers to reduce weight depending on the situation. The soldiers are very satisfied with the truck's performance, but the complex transmission system is a nightmare for maintenance and upkeep. The equal speed rotation of the 6 wheels also increases component wear during steering, so many retired military trucks have had the front and rear axles transmission structures removed to reduce wear to some extent. Despite the issues, the Stalwart truck has a considerable transport capacity, with a payload of 5 tons and an open cargo bed. When used for troop transport, it can carry 30 fully armed soldiers at once. It also has a good towing capacity of 10 tons, for towing artillery, supply wagons, and other equipment. The truck entered service in 1964, and the company developed some variants based on the truck, such as ammunition supply vehicles and engineering vehicles with cranes. Overall, if properly maintained, this is a good amphibious truck. In addition to being equipped by the British military, a small number of these trucks were provided to other countries, such as 20 to Sweden and 5 to Sri Lanka.